Hello, this is Mark Keaton Sterling again, and this is music editing, part 2. Quantize. Off the back, I noticed that the second part of the assignment was almost the same as the first one, except for the length and completing other sections of the song that we missed in the first. Upside to me doing the second part was I only had to focus on the same 3 types of drum that I did in the first project. Where the yellow tracks are our program drum, the blue tracks are our acoustic drum, and our purple tracks are drum machine drums. I had to remember that the program machine drums and the drum machine drums are already locked close to the grid. But just for instruction's sake, I went on and quantized them again. So the first thing I wanted to do to start everything off was go in and separate in each section where the markers had the project marked off at 8 bars apiece. After done separating everything, I was ready to start working on the assignment. So I turned the all group off so I can click on each clip one piece at a time. I already set elastic properties up on the first project, so now all I have to do is go in to event operations and just start quantizing. Next, I moved to the acoustic drums where I had to use beat detector on this section. Then after I analyzed everything and raised the sensitivity a couple inches, after checking and making sure that all the beat markers were where they were supposed to be, I separated and conformed everything. After everything was filled in, I used crossfade. I listened to the acoustic drums and the electronic drums after I got done with this process, and this is what it sounded like. I got down to the very last section, and I wanted to show method I used to complete that one because it was one of the new assignments that we had to do for the second part of music editing. It consisted of a couple of electronic tones. I also wanted to hear how elastic properties and quantizing sounded on the reverb clip track, so I checked that out. Basically, I wanted to go through all the electronic tracks and see which ones needed to be quantized. Next, I moved to the acoustic drums on the break section and used beat detective. I used clip separation and captured it. Analyzed that selection. The rhythm was different on the break, so I had to make sure that the beat triggers were being represented. So that took a little zoom in, zoom out. I separated everything, conformed it. Lastly, I smoothed everything out and got to see how everything sounded.